Hello and welcome to the weekend. We're all working for the weekend. I'm meteorologist Jeff Matthews. Thank you for checking in on CNYWeathertainment.com. We start off with a look at the average, which is at 81 degrees, 85 forecast for Saturday, 90 for Sunday. Whoa! 82, 84, 83 for the beginning of next week. Slight cool down for Thursday. But basically, we're talking about very warm and then moderately warm. Weather headlines? The thermal climb is on for this weekend. We ratcheted up towards 90. Storm chances are small, very small, and they're only for a couple of days through next week. And there are big events coming next weekend, a week from this weekend. Hall of Fame weekend induction ceremony down in Cooperstown, as well as the Irish Fest in Frankfurt, other events as well. I want you to take the time to check out on this website my event forecast, where I forecast specific event, timing, and forecast for that location and event. It'll help you if you're interested in attending any of the local events across central New York. Having said that, the shower activity from Friday afternoon and evening is pushing offshore and away with it. You can see how the area of rain is most pronounced around the storm center itself. The dragging cold front tends to have scattered activity because you're away from the highest energy source of the storm. It tends to kind of thin out, the energy does, as the front elongates. And that's what's happening across the upper Midwest as well as Montana as a new system forms, and there's actually two more systems forming as well. That'll be kind of difficult to time, but what I'm also trying to figure out is there going to be enough moisture to create a thunder shower when they do arrive? Because if you're across New York State, it's almost a no-brainer that it was going to rain this afternoon. At least for me, it was almost a no-brainer. But as you can see on the trailing cold front, the activity is so scattered that for folks who live in Ohio or Indiana or Illinois or Missouri, for example, it was going to be one thunderstorm and it would be kind of a hit-or-miss activity because it's not a full line of storms along the entire front. There's a new front forming across the Dakotas and one even behind that. They will be moving through, but I think will be more in this area rather than this area, meaning scattered or even isolated activity versus widespread for Sunday p.m. and again on Tuesday p.m. So we'll cover that in the forecast. But first, the almanac for today. Yesterday, missed the high by 3 and the low by 1. Pretty happy with that. Rain gauge only picked up 100th in the rain bucket. The rain came in, but it was very light when it did. 14 hours and 99. That should be 59 minutes. 14 hours and 99 minutes of daylight. I have a new scale that I'm working on. It's 1 minute less than 15 hours of daylight and going down. The forecast for your Saturday, becoming mostly sunny, warm, a high of 85. Saturday night, partly cloudy, warm, muggy, low around 65. And then for Sunday, a high around 90. Hazy, warm, humid. Small chance, 20% chance. I don't even know if I'd take the umbrella for the chance for a late day evening thunder shower. And it'll be the same deal again for Tuesday evening with clearing skies on Wednesday. Otherwise, rain-free conditions for the 7-day stretch ahead, with the brightest days being Saturday, Monday, and maybe Wednesday and Thursday and Friday of next week. That is a check of your 7-day forecast. I'm glad you checked in. And now it's up to you to make it a great weekend.
Welcome to Intermission. Yeah, intermission.